Good morning and welcome back to the shop. This is just a little quick update video because it's been a really busy week and I haven't had a lot of time or free time to work on the tractors. But this is just a little video of where I am and some upcoming projects that I hope you'll tune in for. And I'd like to say thank you, because I know how hard it is to find the free time in a busy schedule, and a lot of my viewers and a lot of you guys out there, I know you work and you have other activities, but it means a lot that you'll give me or devote free time to watch my videos. So thank you very much for that. So Super C is the Super C. It's always ready to go, but the M, we're gotten a little bit further on the M. I've got most of the internals out. I've got the stand built for it. I've got to cut this bolt because it won't break loose. I've sprayed it with Kroil, liquid wrench, everything, and I still can't get it to break loose. So I'm gonna cut it and get the hub off the shaft, and then I'll take and drill and remove that bolt once I get it out or get it separated from the hub. And we will put some wheels on this cart and get it outside and get this housing cleaned and ready to go. Also too, the video before last, you saw that I brought home the corn planter. The corn planter does need a little work, not very much. The clean out for this side was broken off. I've got it and we're going to weld it back on. Also, I want to re-galvanize these hoppers. I'm going to take them off and sandblast the gauges and paint those red and get the hoppers back in good condition, because they do have a little rust. And also the row opener right here is cracked. We're going to fix that, and that's about it for the two-row planter, other than sandblast and paint, which that will be done hopefully before next spring. And we're going to do the same thing with the disc outside, because it's in really good shape and I don't want to lose it or it to rust away. So that's it. The shop is full. It's all my stuff, but it's full. So that's it, just a little quick update. And I did want to say thank you again to everyone for sharing time with me. It does mean a lot, and it shows that there are a lot of good people out there. So thank you once again. Well, we're going to end here. I've got a Toyota Corolla outside that I got to do some paint work on to help fund the M project, so we can keep going with that one. But as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for your subscription. And we will be at Silk Hope this Saturday. So if you're out there walking around and you see me, come up and say hello. Be glad to meet you, and hopefully we'll see you there. Have a great afternoon from Old Red Tractors.